Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we're going to see the exact method to create a YouTube channel banner or a channel art for 100% free. And this is a step-by-step tutorial. So please follow up to maximize your result. So now let's jump into it. So as the first step, now I'm going to proceed to a website named snapper.com, and this is snapper.com. So now I'm going to search this, and all the links and the stuffs are in the description box below, and you guys can simply click on get started for free, and here it will ask me my name and email address and password, and it will say me to enter the checkbox of reCAPTCHA and click on get started free. And if you already have an account, you can simply click on login. So as I am having an account already, so now I'm going to click on login, and this will say me create a graphic, and this will say select a preset size or enter custom graphic design. So now I'm going to simply search for YouTube channel art or channel banner. So now I can simply click on create a graphic, and I can simply search for the banners, and here it shows me lots of banners, and here it shows me YouTube banner. So now I'm going to click on YouTube banner, and now I'm going to click create from scratch, or I can simply select any of these banner, and I can simply edit this by putting pictures. So now I'm going to click on the plus mark, and it's loading, and now as you guys can see, this snapper.com shows me 100% clear grid to represent where will the desktop area, where will be the desktop area and the TV area and the phone area, and this is the mobile phone display area of the banner, and up to this point the desktop viewers will can see the banner, and the TV viewers can see this whole section of the banner. So now I'm going to first of all add a background to this banner. So how to add? Simply by proceeding to the background, and you can simply select the patterns or upload, or you can upload this image, or you can simply search for a design. So now I'm going to search for a design as gradient. So now I'm going to simply search it as gradient. You can simply search this, and it's loading. So as you guys can see, here are lots of background related to gradient color scheme, and as you guys can see, there are lots of background, and you can simply remove this grid simply by clicking toggle save zone, and this will show you the full preview of the image. And now I'm going to select a different type, and I'm going to search for one image which is suitable for my brand, so for my YouTube channel, and I can simply select. So now I'm going to select this one as my background, and we are going to do multiple steps to edit this one. So how to edit? So now I'm going to click this background, and I'm going to proceed to this section, and we can simply flip the image to vertical or horizontal, and we can simply reposition the image up and down, and we can scale to using this free tool, and I'm going to keep it as it is, and I'm going to click on apply, and now I'm going to select this one, and I can simply try a photo, or I can simply go to the color section to choose a background color. If you want, if you can simply upload a background color by choosing from this area, and you can upload an image as a background. Or so now I'm gonna simply try to reduce the brightness, or I'm gonna edit this background. So now I'm gonna select the color. So now I'm gonna select it to the white color, and I'm gonna reduce the transparency of this background to make it look more beautiful. So I'm going to reduce the darkness, I'm going to reduce the blur, and now I'm going to reduce this white, so the white looks more beautiful and pretty. So now I'm going to turn on my toggle safe zone section, and now I'm going to simply proceed to the graphics section, and now I'm going to search for a rectangle, or I can simply proceed to the shape section and I can click on this rectangle. So now the rectangle is appearing. So now I'm going to reduce the size of this rectangle, and I will increase the width, and so now I'm going to change the color of this. So I can simply select no fill, or I can select the solid color. So now I'm going to make this as white colored. So now I'm going to create a rounded border. I can simply make this look as it is, and now I'm going to upload one of my logo. So how to create a logo? Simply proceed to logo.com, and you guys can simply enter your brand name. So now I'm going to enter as W Analyzer, and I can simply click on make a logo, and you can simply enter your industry. So now I'm going to enter as tech, and you can enter again technology, and you can select the color scheme. So now I'm going to select blue, and you can simply select the font and the styles to appear. So now I'm going to select this one, and with icon or without icon. So now I want to select as with icon, and I'm going to click on continue. So as you guys can see, there are lots of ready-made templates or logos here. So you can simply select one of these, and this one, and you can simply edit this and you can upload to here. So I'm going to remove this section. So how to remove? Simply click on this one, and you can simply remove this text, and you can simply click on save, and you can edit this one, this top logo also. So now I'm going to click on get your logo. So it will ask me my brand, it will ask me my email and password to get my branded logo. So now I'm going to skip this step, so you guys can try this. So now I'm going to enter my brand name as W-Analyzer, and I can simply select my font. So now I'm going to select it to no wester, and I'm going to increase the size of this to 150, and now I'm going to again increase the size, because we have lots of opportunities to increase the size of our text, which will be more prettier. So now I'm going to paste this in this, so I'm going to place this in this correct center. So you guys can simply see the line, and you guys can zoom this to make look more visible. So I can simply change this color to dark black. I can simply custom and I can change this, and now I'm gonna reduce the size of the grid, and now I'm gonna place two logos, or I'm gonna place some graphics over here. So now I'm gonna take some graphics related to tech icons, and so now I'm gonna go to the vector section and I'm gonna search for tech. So let's see which comes. So now I'm going to search for computers, and this circuit comes, and we can simply select this one, which is more good, and I can simply drag this rectangle up to here, and I can send this layer to the back. I can take this one to the front, and I can remove the grid over here to make this look more visible, and I can simply drag this up to here, and I can turn on the safe zone. Now I'm going to add another one to make this more clear and attractive, and I'm going to select this one over here, and these are computer related, and this looks like an iPad. So now I'm going to place this here, and now I'm going to simply add text related or a tagline, small tagline. I can simply add latest tech updates, and updates, and I can simply drag this to a one line, and I can simply reduce the size of this to 39, and I can simply make this or get this to the center. And okay, now I have done with my banner. So as you guys can see, this banner is 100% awesome, and I made this for 100% free without any investment, and no time wastage is needed, and this is super simple. So you guys also can try with this method, and if you have any question, please comment down below, and please subscribe to this channel for more video tutorials like this. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.